Okay, so today we will start on the SPM 2021 at Maths. Okay, kertas 1. Okay guys, so as you know, kertas 1 got 2 bahagian, SPM at Maths. Okay, kertas 1, paper 1 have 2 section. Section A, section B. Okay, section A 12 question, 12 soalan. Section B 3 question, choose 2. Okay, 3 soalan pilih 2. Okay, so hopefully we can discuss all the 15 question lah. Okay, because this paper is only 2 hours. Okay, 2 jam. Okay, so kamu kena habiskan semua soalan. Alright. Okay guys. My plan is, plan saya adalah saya akan panggil nama lah untuk jawab soalan. Okay, jangan risau. No need to worry. Okay, I will ask you the concept only regarding the question. Bukan untuk solve soalan. Okay, I will just ask you what is the concept behind this question. Something like that. Okay, you no need to tell me how to solve and get the answer. Okay, I just ask random question only. Okay guys, are you okay with it? Boleh tak? Baru lebih menarik kan? Then only more interesting. If I just keep on talking, saya bercakap, kamu semua akan tidur dah. Sebab yang ni paper yang lama. Sangat panjang. Very long. Okay, so that's why saya tanya soalan lah untuk bagi kamu semua lebih aktif dan menarik. Okay, it's more better discussion. Okay, random guys. Saya pilih punya random saja. Okay, saya lihat dan pilih saja. Okay, since Ahmad adalah yang pertama, so Ahmad mulalah. Okay, Ahmad, boleh? Boleh type, boleh? Kalau boleh jawab soalan saya. Okay, so soalan pertama. Okay dah guys. I think someone open mic. Hold on. Okay, sorry ya guys. Just now got people open mic. Okay, so now, Ahmad, bila nampak soalan ni, apa bab bagi soalan ni? What chapter is this question? Cuba komen bila kamu nampak soalan. Okay, tingkatan? Yes. Okay guys, this is Form 5 Chapter 1. Okay, circular measure, sukatan membulat. Okay, 2 markah sahaja. Only 2 mark. Okay, Ahmad. Soalan suruh cari luas. They ask you to find the area of sector. So, boleh tak kamu bagi tahu saya apa rumus untuk cari luas sektor? Okay, very good. Sangat efficient, Ahmad. Bagus. Okay, setengah J kuasa 2 theta. Okay, in English is half R square theta. Okay, so guys, okay, the rest also can respond. Yang lain pun boleh jawab, bukan Ahmad saja, tapi saya akan fokus pada jawapan Ahmad lah. Okay, the rest also can answer. Okay guys, theta refer to what? Is it degree or radian? Apa unit? What is the unit? Very good. Okay, radian Okay, correct. Okay, so radian. Okay, so now they ask you to find major sector. Okay, sector major OAB. So guys, can you all tell me AB manakah adalah sector major? Which is the major sector? Very good. Okay, the answer is A. Okay, very good, correct. Okay guys, so can anyone tell me what is the theta I should use? Is it pi over 3? Adakah sudut saya pi over 3 for the theta? Yes or no? Okay, bukan. Okay, because we are talking about major sector major. So we have to use the major angle. Okay, sudut yang major. So it means the big angle, sudut yang besar. Okay, so how do we find the major angle? Or can you tell me the answer? Boleh bagi jawapan untuk sudut major? Okay, very good. Pi over 3 pi. Correct. Okay, the answer is pi over 3 pi. Okay, what is the radius over here, guys? Apa jejari? Yes, correct, Melan. Yes, the radius is 2 cm. The question already tell you. Okay, guys? So you can count the answer already. Kamu boleh kira jawapan. So it's something like this. Okay, so you find your theta first, and then you use the formula for the area, and then this is your answer. Okay, answer must have unit guys. Kena bagi jawapan, kena bagi unit dalam jawapan kamu. Okay, always remember cm square is the unit. Okay, guys, how come so many people open mic one? Kamu semua nak jawab soalan. Okay. Okay, don't have already. Okay, so yeah, are you guys clear? Question 1, habis. Everyone can get it? 2 pi sebab satu bulatan, Ahmad. Guys, the angle for one whole circle is 360 degrees. Remember that. Okay, 360 untuk satu bulatan or 2 pi. Ini dalam unit radian. Okay, 2 pi rad. Okay, Ahmad? Boleh? Soalan 1? Clear? Okay. So we go to question number 2. Soalan 2. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to call the next person. So you all, okay, no need. Ahmad, boleh bagi saya satu nombor tak? Antara nombor 1 sampai 10. Saya nak guna yang tu untuk pilih orang. Pilih nombor yang kamu suka. 7. Okay, wait Tunggu. Sir, if ask segment, how to answer? Segment segment you just, okay, wait guys. Before we go to question number 2. Paper. Are you in my group, Sophia? Because saya hanya share material kepada yang dalam group saya sahaja. Okay guys, so those asking segment, right? Okay, Melan, this is segment. Am I right? Oh, saya dah share dalam group dah. Okay, mungkin tak apa, kamu PM saya nanti. Oh, dah. Okay, bagus. Okay guys, so Melan, this one is the segment. Am I right? Okay, so ice cream. Kenapa tiba-tiba ice cream? Okay, Sat, nanti. Kamu semua kekal sampai akhir. Nanti saya bagi. Okay, you all stay until the end. Okay, so this one is segment, guys. Ini kita panggil segment. Okay, so how to find area of segment? Macam mana cari? Apa konsep? So we are going to use sector minus triangle. Do you understand? Okay, triangle adalah yang ni. This is your triangle. And this one is your sector. Sector yang ni. Boleh dapat, guys? So, hijau tolak biru sama dengan merah. Okay, green minus blue equal to your red. Formula also can. Yes, you can use formula also. Okay, guys, for segment, the formula is something like this. Okay, ini adalah rumus untuk kira luas segment. Area of segment formula. Okay, you must memorize, I think. This one is not given in the exam. Rumus ni tak diberi. So, kamu kena hafal. Okay, are you guys clear? So, 2 marks. Very simple lah. Okay, sangat mudah soalan ni. Okay. Okay, so now Ahmad kata nombor 7 Okay. Ahmad, kamu kata nombor 7 sebab suka CR7 ke? Saja tanyalah. Okay, that's why kamu bagi nombor 7 kan? Betul ke? Mungkin saya teka dengan betul. Okay, never mind. 7. Wah, betul lah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, Ariana Nur. Adakah anda di sini? Boleh respon tak kalau kamu ada di sini? Kamu type ya kalau ada. Itu saja. Ada atau tak ada? Okay. So Ariana, soalan ni dari bab mana? Cuba bagi tahu saya bila kamu lihat. Mengapa saya tanya soalan ni, guys? Sebab sangat penting untuk kamu kenal pasti soalan tu dari bab mana dulu. You all must know what chapter, what form. Then only all the knowledge regarding the question can come. Okay? So what chapter, Ariana? Any idea? Sangat mudah. Kalau tak ada idea, kamu boleh bagi tahu saya. Tak apa. So the rest also can answer. You can help also your friend. Yes, very good. Linear law, guys. Form 4, chapter 6. Correct. Okay, this is Form 4, Chapter 6, Hukum Linear. Okay, so take note, graph ni adalah ln Y melawan ln X. Okay, ln Y against ln X. Okay, so you must form the equation. Okay, so you know that Y equal to mx plus C. Betul? Ini adalah rumus untuk garis lurus. The general formula for straight line. Okay, so guys, okay, Ariana, apa step kamu yang pertama? Bila nampak soalan macam ni, what will be your first step? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Langkah yang paling awal. Yes, very good. Cari gradient, guys. Okay, find the kecerunan. Okay, why your Y and X big letter? Okay, guys. Why I put my Y and X big letter is because my Y-axis and X-axis is ln Y and ln X. It's not Y and X. So to differentiate the normal Y and X, I put capital Y and capital X. Do you understand? Because my Y-axis now is ln Y, my x-axis is ln x. It's different already, modify already. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay guys, so can Ariana boleh bagi tahu saya apa nilai kecerunan kamu kat sini? What is your gradient? Selepas kamu kira. Yes, follow graph, correct. Yang lain pun boleh jawab. Okay, yes. The answer is 2. Okay, yes. Your gradient is 2. Okay, 7 minus 1 over 5 minus 2. Okay, so gradient is equal to 2. Kecerunan. Okay guys, how to find the y-intercept now? Ariana, macam mana boleh cari pintasan y yang ni? Okay, before the correct answer. Yes, sub-coordinate guys. Correct. Okay, sub masuk x, y. Maksudnya kamu pilihlah salah satu daripada koordinat ni. Just choose one. Both also will give the same answer. Dua-dua akan bagi nilai C sama. Alright? Okay, but guys, be careful lah. Can I ask you? Nombor 2 ni, adakah nombor 2 ni X atau ln X? Yang ni bagi tahu saya dulu. Is number 2 represent X or ln X? Okay, some more? Lagi orang? Yes, correct. Okay, the answer is ln X guys. Jangan tertipu sebab selalu kamu ingat koordinat X, Y. Salah. Dalam AddMaths, dia lain sikit. Okay, it's different in AddMaths. You must refer your axis one. Okay, tengok paksi kamu. So if you refer your axis, it is ln X. Okay, so means that 2 is ln X. Okay, and then the number 1 is ln Y. Boleh faham guys? Can you understand? So means that kamu boleh terus gantikan nilai. Tak perlu kira nilai. Contoh ln 2 sama dengan apa, tak perlu. You don't need to find ln 2 because the number 2 itself represent ln X already. Okay? So then you can find the C already. Okay? So kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, wait, where is the answer? Okay, I think it's the other page. Okay. So you will get something like this guys. Okay, this is your equation. After you simplify, kamu akan dapat yang ni. Okay? So now guys, the question asks you to express y in terms of x. So Ariana, kamu akan buat apa kat sini? Kalau nak ungkapkan y dalam sebutan x. Bila dah dapat yang ni. What is your next step? Or the rest also. Get rid of ln, okay, Ken? So how you get rid? Can you tell the method? Macam mana nak hapuskan ln? Anti-ln? Not really. You must do one step first. Okay, yes, correct. Factorize. Yes, the end. Correct. Okay, so how you factorize is basically you throw this one to the left-hand side. Okay, kamu bawa 2 ln x kepada sebelah kiri. Okay, this one you make it go to the left-hand side. Okay, so why we do that? Change base of 3 to 3 ln e. Okay, very good. Can also, no problem. Okay, there is many method guys. Ada banyak kaedah. Okay, depends which one is your preference only. Okay, so my preference is I will shift the ln x to the left hand side of the equation. Okay, become ln y minus 2 ln x. Okay, so guys, the number 2, according to ln rule, what can I do? The number in front of ln, what can I do? Yes, become x square. Okay, saya boleh bawa nombor depan ln tu naik atas jadi kuasa. Okay, itu adalah hukum log. Okay, you must remember your log rule guys. Although this is Form 4 Chapter 6, right? They mix Form 4 Chapter 4 inside also. So you must know 2 chapter knowledge to answer this question. Kena tahu 2 bab ni untuk jawab soalan. Okay? So from now, if you have minus guys, what do you get for the ln? Kalau nampak simbol tolak kat tengah-tengah, yes, you will get divide. Okay, whenever minus, change to become divide. Okay, so you get like this. Okay, now guys, what do you do? Ln is what? What is the meaning of ln? Apa maksud ln? Yes, very good. Log base e guys. Correct. Where did x square come from? Oh, this number 2 here, you can bring on top to become a power 2. This is the property of log or ln. Okay, Stanley, do you understand? Okay, so it's log base e. Okay, so basically you will get e kuasa negatif 3. Okay, sebab ln adalah log base e. Okay, so you bring this one over here. E kuasa negatif 3 sama dengan yang ni. Okay, then you just express your answer y in term of x. So this is your final answer. Understand guys? Boleh dapat? Soalan nombor 2. Are you clear? Okay, very good. Okay, so total mark is 1, 2, 3, 4 mark. Okay, kamu akan skor 4 markah kalau boleh jawab soalan ni dengan betul. Okay, so far guys, 1 or 2? 1 maksudnya kamu faham, 2 maksudnya tak faham. 1 understand, 2 don't understand. Okay, understand so far. Okay, very good. Okay, next person. Sorry. Ariana, boleh bagi nombor favorite kamu tak? Antara 1 sampai 10. Apa-apa nombor yang kamu suka? Cuba bagi nombor favorite. Tak boleh, tak boleh. 1 sampai 10 saja. Baru adil. Kalau 23 pengsan saya kira. Lebih senang bagi saya kalau 1 sampai 10. Okay, 9. Okay, so dari kamu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, Faris. Adakah anda di sini? Janganlah. Kamu kena berminat tau guys untuk jawab. Bila kamu ada peluang nak jawab, itu adalah peluang kamu untuk faham soalan. Betul kan? When you guys get called, at least you have an opportunity to answer the question. Test your knowledge. Am I right? Okay, Faris ada di sini. Okay, Faris. Apa bab ni? Kalau kamu lihat soalan. Tingkatan berapa, bab berapa? Very good. Okay, Form 4, Chapter 5. Yes. Form 4, Faris. Okay, very good. Form 4, Chapter 5, guys. Progression. Okay, janjang. 5 marks. Okay, so not difficult. Tak susah soalan ni. Okay, you can answer one. Okay, so so they tell you it is geometric. Okay, janjang geometric. Okay, so first question, they ask you to find maximum value of n. Okay, guys. First question untuk Faris. Kalau kamu nampak hasil tambah n sebutan pertama, apa simbol yang kamu boleh tulis bagi saya? What is the symbol for sum of first n term? Yes, it's Sn guys. Okay, Sn, betul. Okay, very good. Okay, kurang daripada, less than. Can anyone tell me what is the sign? Yeah, okay, very good lah. Okay, less than 650. Okay guys, so ini adalah persamaan kamu. This is your equation for this question. Okay, so nilai A 217, nilai R 2/3. Okay, so you just need to use the formula. Guna rumus janjang geometri untuk selesaikan. Alright, so guys, for geometry progression, how many formula do we have? Janjang geometri ada berapa rumus yang kamu tahu? I mean for sum. Sorry guys, untuk hasil tambah saja saya maksudkan. Just for the sum formula. How many type you have? Not 3, you know. 2 only guys. Okay, kita ada 2 sahaja. Alright? Yes. Okay, so you can refer actually in your exam. They give you the formula. Oh, okay. But that one is infinity. Now I'm asking for n term. For just n term. So we got only 2. Okay? Yes, sebutan ke n sahaja. Alright? Yeah. So guys, the 2 formulas is actually something like this. Okay, so one you got like this. Okay, macam ni. Satu lagi, kamu ada macam ni. Am I right guys? This is the formula you have. Okay guys, so for this question, kamu akan pilih yang mana? Yang pertama ataupun kedua? Which one? What will you choose? Okay, some more? What do you all say the rest? Which formula? Okay, very good. Okay, the answer is number 1 guys. Okay, why number 1? Because my R value is less than 1. Okay, nilai R saya kurang dari 1. So maksudnya saya kena guna 1 tolak R. Yes, very good. Okay, so the answer is number 1. Alright, so then you just key in the formula. Okay, gantikan semua nilai, kamu boleh dapat jawapan. Okay, you will get the final answer. Okay, so it's something like this. Okay, so can you see? You just substitute all the information. Okay, and then kamu permudahkan. Okay, so over here, kamu boleh permudahkan yang ni dulu. These two you simplify. Okay, means that 217 times 3. 217 kali 3, kamu dapat 651. Kamu bawa ke kanan. Okay, you shift to right hand side. Okay, so now guys, when you reach this step over here, can anyone tell me, apa kamu akan guna untuk cari nilai n? This step, langkah ni. Okay, very good. You're going to use the log, guys. Kamu akan guna hukum log dah. Okay, always when you see a power n on top here, you have to use log ataupun ln. Guna log atau ln untuk cari nilai n. No other method. Tak ada kaedah lain. Okay? So you just need to find the n value. Okay, so tekan calculator sajalah. Okay, just press calculator. So final answer, you should get n less than 15.97. Okay guys, so can you all tell me what will be my final answer? Apa jawapan akhir saya kalau macam ni? Okay, yes, your answer will be 15. Okay, why 15? Because they say, oh okay, guys, log, you can write two ways. Dua-dua cara diterima. Okay, usually right, bila asal 10 kita takkan tulis asal 10 kat situ. Okay, usually when it's base 10, we don't write the number 10 over here. But if you want to write, also can. Kalau kamu nak tulis pun boleh. Okay, the concept is just like when you learn Form 4 Chapter 2, Modern Maths. Do you all still remember, guys? Base numbers, asas nombor. Do you write 21 base 10, guys, in maths? When you solve a normal problem, do you write like this? Kamu tulis tak macam ni bila selesaikan matematik biasa? Of course not lah. Means that it is already understood. Sudah faham bahawa dia adalah asas 10. Sama untuk log. Konsep sama. Okay? But different base, you must write. Kalau base selain 10, kena tulis. Okay? Sebab dia ada makna berbeza. Okay? Boleh? So, yeah. This is the concept. Okay, so you will get n equal to 15. Okay, settle for question A. Okay, so question B, they ask you the difference. Okay, wait. Okay, Faris, nak tengok jawapan kamu. Apa ungkapan yang kamu boleh tulis bagi saya soalan ni? Beza antara sebutan kelima dan hasil tambah semua sebutan. Tulis yang ungkapan tu saja dalam bentuk simbol. The rest also can try. What will be your expression? Okay, sum of all term and yes. Okay, you should have S15. Hey, wait, let me check and see. Hey, guys, careful, They say sum of all the terms, you know. Are you sure it's S15? Be careful, guys. They say sum of all the terms. Hasil tambah semua sebutan. So is it S15? Sometimes the wording very confusing, guys. Kamu kena peka dengan perkataan tu. Yes, you must use S infinity here, guys. Be careful, It's not S15. Okay? Whenever you see S15, is the meaning of sum of first n term. Okay, hasil tambah sebutan n pertama. Kena ada perkataan pertama tu. Kat sini kamu tak nampak perkataan pertama. Betul? Dalam soalan. You don't see the word first. Very small margin only. But it make a difference. One word loose, it change the meaning already. Yes. Okay, so you will use S infinity minus T5. Okay, boleh? So what is the formula, guys, for S infinity? Can you tell me? And also Faris, boleh bagi tahu saya rumus tak? Hasil tambah ketidak terhinggaan. Yes. Okay, A over 1 minus R. Correct. Okay, so that's the formula. You can refer formula booklet also. Okay, kamu boleh lihat kat depan. Okay, so Tn, can you all tell me? Geometry, apa rumus dia? Tn. Sometimes I ask like this, right, guys? It's just so that you guys can memorize it without having to go to the front of the formula list. It save you some time. Jimat masa juga sikit. Kalau kamu boleh terus hafal. Yes, very good. Okay, AR power n minus 1. Correct. Okay, so you just substitute all the value only. Gantikan semua nilai, tekan calculator, dapat jawapan. Okay, guys. Final answer, jawapan akhir yang ni kan, kamu boleh tulis sebagai pecahan tak wajar pun boleh. You can write your answer as improper fraction. Also correct. Okay. If you ask me decimal can or not, lebih baik kamu bagi pecahan berbanding perpuluhan. Okay, don't give decimal, guys. Always stick to fraction one. Okay, fraction is more accurate for admaths. Okay, especially when you got recurring decimal, ada titik perpuluhan berulang, lebih baik pecahan. Okay, so yeah. So guys, can you all score 5 mark for this third question? If you see in SPM, boleh kan? Not difficult, right? Okay, 5 mark this question. So yeah, this is number 3. Okay guys, Faris, bagi nombor yang kamu suka. Sekali lagi, 1 sampai 10. Wah, 10 ah. Baguslah. Yang ni mesti fan Messi. Betul? Kalau tak silap lah. Okay, Faris kat mana? Faris. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wah, you guys all lari dah. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Melan, exactly kena on you. Are you here, Melan? Question number 4. Are you ready? Okay, so this one. What topic is this question? Apa when you see this question? Name of the chapter. Yes, Form 5 Chapter 2. Okay, this is Form 5 Chapter 2, guys. Your favorite chapter, differentiation. Bab yang kamu semua suka sangat. Okay, pembezaan. They like to ask also. You like? I thought I simply joking. Okay, but actually you guys like. Okay, so guys, first question. When you see the word gradient function, what is the meaning? Apa maksud dia? Yes, dy over dx, guys. Correct. Okay, so guys, can you all tell me final answer? Cuba bezakan yang ni. Try to differentiate the equation and tell me what you get. 1 markah sahaja yang ni. 1 mark. Okay. Zian, do you mistake? See the question? The answer is 1 minus 4 over x cube, guys. Okay, because x, when you differentiate, you have 1. Bezakan x 1. Differentiate 2x power negative 2, you have negative 4x power negative 3. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so you will get, or you can write as like this. Boleh tulis macam ni. Okay, if you leave your answer over here, right guys, kalau kamu tinggal jawapan kat sini pun boleh. Tak ada masalah. It's still the same. Okay, so you still get the mark. Okay, so question B. Question B is the harder one. Lebih susah. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so now Melan, can you tell me? They say straight line is perpendicular to this line. Okay, so when you see the word perpendicular, what formula come to your mind? Apa rumus untuk berserenjang? Yes, M1, M2 equal to negative 1, guys. Correct. Okay, so can anyone tell me this line, what is the gradient? Apa kecerunan garis ni? Careful, slowly. Yes, negative 2. Okay, remember you must shift it to the right hand side. Then only you can see the gradient, negative 2. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is the tangent gradient now? Wow, before I ask the question, you all tell the answer. Correct. Yes, tengah lah. Okay, correct. So now guys, you have 2 dy dx. Am I right? Dy dx equal to answer in A and dy dx sama dengan setengah. So what can you do with these two information? Kamu boleh buat apa? Yes, substitute or equal to each other. Bagi mereka sama. Let y equal to y. Very good. Correct. Okay, wait, I missed one question. If in coordinate geometry, yes. Guys, you must remember this formula, right? M1, M2 equal to negative 1. Not only used in coordinate geometry. Bukan saja dalam Form 4 Chapter 7. Form 5 Chapter 2 pun boleh. Okay, ingat yang ni. Because tangent and normal is always 90 degree. So you can use this formula in Form 5 also. Okay, so just keep this in mind when you solve the question. Because it's related one. Form 4 Chapter 7 dan Form 5 Chapter 2 berkait. So konsep dia akan guna juga. Alright. Okay guys. So you equalize both of them. Okay, bagi mereka sama, cari nilai x. Okay, find your x value. So when you solve, you will get x equal to 2. Okay, now guys, x equal to 2. Do you substitute inside dy dx? Okay, wait, sorry. Lari tadi. Okay, so x equal to 2. Do you substitute in this one or the y equation? Which one? Dalam persamaan y atau dy dx? Yes, correct. The y equation. Always remember guys, x sama dengan 2, kamu kena ganti dalam persamaan lengkung. Always substitute in the curve. Okay, so you will substitute in y equal to x plus 2 over x square. Okay, so you just solve and you will get the answer. Okay, kamu akan dapat jawapan. So this is your answer. Mereka suruh cari coordinate P. Okay, so you write your answer in coordinate. Okay guys, a lot of you like to do like this. Kamu selesaikan dapat X, dapat Y. Kamu henti kat situ. Betul? Kamu akan henti kat sini. You will stop your working over here. Careful. Okay, whenever you see the question ask you, find the coordinate. Cari coordinate. Kena bagi jawapan dalam bentuk yang ni. X, Y. This is technique menjawab. Okay, if you just write X equal to, let's say 2, Y equal to 3, wrong. Although your answer correct, you won't get the final mark. Takkan dapat markah akhir. Because you never answer the question. Tak jawab soalan. Okay, so always remember give your answer in coordinate. Okay guys, are you all clear with question 4? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Sampai sekarang okay kan? 4 soalan dah buat dari 15. Okay? So next one Okay, Melan, give me your favorite number for question number 5. 9 also. Okay. A lot of people like number 9. Okay, so number 9, let me see. Who is the lucky one? Okay, where is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Nur Shakira, are you over here? Adakah anda di sini? 9 equal Melan. Oh, you see like that. Okay, okay. Understand. Nur Shakira, adakah anda di sini? Kalau boleh, type ya. Kalau di sini. Kenapa Faris gelak? Nak jawab soalan lagi ke? Kalau tak ada, I go to the next person. Nurwin Batrisha. Oh, okay, sorry. Nur Shakira ada. Okay guys, boleh tak kamu bagi tahu saya soalan ni bab apa? What chapter? Kalau nampak. Yes. Okay, bab 2 form 4. Very good guys. This is form 4 chapter 2. Quadratic function. Persamaan kuadratik. Okay. Alright, so first question. Okay, so they ask you to find the range. Cari julat nilai X. Okay, so kamu kena anggap fx tu lebih besar dari kosong. Okay, so Nur Shakira, boleh bagi tahu saya tak berapa kaedah kamu ada untuk selesaikan ketaksamaan kuadratik? How many method you have to solve quadratic inequality? Okay, boleh? Ada 2. Actually got 3 lah, in fact. But biasanya orang akan guna 2. Boleh. Okay, so kamu suka guna kaedah apa? What method you like to use? Kisha, we cannot use CTS over here, you know. CTS is only if you don't have inequality. This one is called inequality. When you have inequality, cannot use CTS or PKD. Tak boleh guna. Okay, kalau ada ketaksamaan. So what method will you guys use to solve? Yes, graph shading method, guys. Okay, kena guna kaedah lakaran graph. Okay, so the meaning is your graph like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so greater than 0 means that you shade on top. Am I right? Kamu lorek di atas paksi X sebab lebih besar dari kosong. Ini adalah paksi kamu. Okay? Macam ni lah. So maksudnya jawapan kamu kalau A dan B, kamu akan dapat format jawapan macam ni. You should answer your question like this. Do you understand? So your answer will look something like this. Okay. So now you just need to factorize lah. Faktorkan yang ni saja. Okay, so can anyone tell me what are your two value of X? Tekan calculator saja. Okay, very good. 1 and negative 4. 2X value. Okay, so means that X will be... Okay, so can you all tell your final answer? Jawapan akhir dalam julat. Okay, yes, very good, Divya Sweet. X less than negative 4, X greater than 1. Correct. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, you will have something like this. Wow, this question very long. Okay, so you will get the answer like this. Okay, make sure you show your method, guys. Kena tunjuk kaedah. Macam mana dapat jawapan. Okay, you have to show the method. Baru boleh dapat markah. Okay, are you clear, guys? 5A, 1 or 2? Boleh faham? Can Okay. So far, the pace is okay, right guys? Kelajuan saya okay kan? Tak terlalu pantas, tak terlalu slow kan? Boleh jawab tak? Is it okay so far? So sir, the graph is yes. Better show. Lebih baik tunjuk graph dia. Okay, kamu pun lebih faham bila lukis graph. Okay? Yes. Very good. Okay guys. The last two questions, this one is harder a bit. Lebih susah sikit, but not that hard. Okay guys. So for question B1, let me think and see. Okay. So first step, you see fx, you have to substitute inside here. Okay, very good. Okay, so that you just expand, kembangkan dan susun dalam bentuk arm kuadratik. Okay, you rearrange in the general format. Okay, so can anyone tell me general form for quadratic, what is it? Persamaan arm untuk kuadratik. Apa bentuk dia? Yes, very good. Okay, ax square tambah bx tambah c sama dengan kosong. So you must get your answer like that. Okay, so when you rearrange, you should have something like this. Okay, kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, this is your equation. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, Shakira, boleh bagi tahu saya tak? Untuk HTP or SOR, what is the formula untuk HTP? Yes. Okay, negative B over A. Correct. Okay, how about HDP? POR? Wow, you're so fast, huh? Yes, betul. Okay, C over A. Betul. Okay, very good. So guys, can you all tell me what is your B value over here in this equation? Apa nilai B? Hati-hati ya guys, nilai B ada perangkap kat situ. Yes. Are you sure? B value you know. Be careful. B include the negative. Oh, you're telling like that. Okay, can also. Can. Boleh. Okay, for those that say 3 minus P also can. Okay, you sub inside over here. Okay, but then remember to add negative. Okay, because the formula got negative. Okay, ada symbol negative. Okay, so what is your C value? Yes, correct. Nilai C? Yes. Shakira, kamu kena refer yang latest tau. Okay, Q plus 4, cannot. You must refer your latest one, guys. When you rearrange the equation, right, guys, yes, you must use negative Q minus 4. Okay, cannot use the earlier one. Okay, because this one you times the whole equation by negative. Am I right? Kamu darab seluruh persamaan dengan negatif kat sini. Okay, so you must use the latest value. Okay, so your HTP and HDP is this one. Okay, so alpha plus beta, HTP or SOR, alpha beta is HDP or POR. Okay, clear guys? Soalan B1, boleh? Are you guys get it? Why is it P minus 3? Expansion. Okay, PX tolak 3X. So, kamu boleh faktorkan jadi PX tolak 3X. Macam ni. Boleh faham? Okay, PX tolak 3X. So, kamu faktorkan X keluar. So, dapat P minus 3 ke dalam. Okay, very good. Okay, so the last question is the hardest. B2 ni susah sikit. Okay, so they give you another equation, bagi satu lagi persamaan, and they tell you the roots is 2 over alpha and 2 over beta. Okay, guys. In NMaths, you must always remember, B1 answer you can always use for B2. Biasanya konsep NMaths macam ni. Jawapan yes. Refer back to the previous question. It can help you a lot. Okay, jangan ingat apa yang dah solve tak berguna. It's very useful one. So always make sure your part A, part B1 selalunya betul. Sebab kalau tak, yang ni pasti salah. Okay, confirm wrong already. Okay, so be careful with your part A and B1. Okay, so now, can anyone tell me what is your HTP value over here? SOR. Apa nilai dia untuk persamaan baru? Yes, very good. Okay, it's negative R. Why? Okay, because our formula is negative B over A. So it's negative R over 1 or negative R. Okay, HDP guys. Hasil darab punca berapa? P or R? What do you get? Yes, you will get R. Okay, because C over A. Hey, sorry. Not R. Guys, there is a number 10 over here. Remember to shift it to the left hand side. Okay, kamu kena pindah semua nombor ke sebelah kiri dulu. Okay, so actually your HDP, it is actually R minus 10. Okay, clear guys? So from here you can get two equation. Kamu akan dapat dua persamaan. Okay, so you will have these two information over here. Okay guys, so now if you remember, dalam soalan tadi kita ada dua persamaan dah. We have two equation from the above question. So what you can do is what guys? Apa kamu boleh buat? Kamu ada dua persamaan ke atas? Yes. Simultaneous guys. Okay? Persamaan serentak. So you just substitute. Gantikan dalam persamaan kat sini. Okay, you try to rearrange and then substitute. Okay, so example, the first one. Okay, so you can try to make the denominator same. Okay, jadikan penyebut pecahan sama supaya kamu dapat pecahan tunggal. Okay, you get a single fraction, something like this. Okay, so guys, can you notice B plus A, you substitute with P minus 3. And then alpha beta, you substitute with negative Q minus 4. That's all only. Okay, so you will get a new equation over here. Okay, kamu akan dapat persamaan baru. This one. Okay, but then our question never settled yet. Okay, our question is express P in term of Q. Ungkapkan P dalam sebutan Q. So guys, what variable we must get rid over here? Kita kena hapuskan mana kat sini? Variable yang mana? Pemboleh ubah mana? Yes, we need to eliminate the R guys. Okay, because we don't want that one. So how to eliminate? We express R in term of P and Q. Kita ungkapkan R dalam sebutan P dan Q untuk dua persamaan. For two different equation, let Y equal to Y. Okay, bagi Y sama dengan Y ataupun R sama dengan R supaya boleh hapuskan R. Okay, so that is the concept. This is how you guys must think in NMaths guys. Ini proses pemikiran kamu masa buat NMaths. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so you got second equation P or R. Kamu ada information yang ni. Okay, so kat sini alpha beta gantikan. Okay, gantikan dengan yang ni. Okay, substitute. Okay, then you expand. Okay, susun sampai macam ni. Okay guys, third equation, fourth equation. So you let R equal to R. This is the concept. So you eliminate R already. Hapuskan. Okay, so then just solve. Okay, selesaikan untuk ungkapkan P dalam sebutan Q. Are you clear guys? Boleh dapat kaedah dia? The only thing you need to be careful here is algebra. Kena hati-hati dengan algebra guys. Ada banyak algebra kat sini. Konsep dia senang saja, tapi kamu kena elakkan cuai. Okay, avoid the careless mistakes here. Okay, because only careless mistake can stop you from getting the right answer. Nothing else. Okay, so yeah, just be careful. Okay, so total you get, let me see. Total is what, 2? Okay, very good. 7 marks. Very big question. 7 markah guys. So can you all score 7 in this kind of question? If you see in SPM, should be okay, right? Maybe, yeah. Cannot maybe. Must be 100% confident guys at maths. Okay, there's no such thing as maybe all in maths. Okay, so next person, Shakira. Tadi saya panggil. Okay, boleh bagi nombor tak kat saya? 1 sampai 10. 1 until 10. Nombor yang kamu suka. 9 also. Wah, setiap orang suka nombor 9 lah. Tak tahulah. Okay, kat mana dia sekarang? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, Sofia Khatijah. Adakah anda di sini? Are you here? It is your question. Bye ya? Tak boleh bye lah. Kenapa bye? Wah, sangat susah lah macam ni. Okay guys, sorry, Sofia. Boleh bagi tahu saya tak bab apa yang ni? Wah, kamu dapat soalan yang special lah. Sebab soalan ni susah. So apa bab soalan ni? Okay. Yes, it's Form 5 Chapter 1 guys. Cuba sedaya upaya untuk jawab. Okay, try your best guys. Okay guys, if you notice right, so far, oh good luck for you. You get the right question. Okay guys, so far the 5 question we do right is quite easy. Am I right? Senang kan 5 soalan. Tadi kita buat sangat pantas. Dari sekarang dia akan jadi susah. Okay, it will come slightly difficult, the question. Okay, this is the trend of AdMaths 1. AdMaths biasanya akan mula-mula soalan senang. Lepas tu 6, 7 macam tu dia akan bagi soalan susah sampai akhir. That's the trend. From 6, 7 they will give very hard question until the end. So just be prepared mentally. Kamu kena sedia dah. Kamu kena expect yang ni dalam SPM supaya kamu tak terkejut nanti. Okay? Just a tips from me. Okay, so that you can handle better. Okay. So now guys, they ask you, okay, Sophia, not easy. You try number C. Question B. A lot of idea you need to think. Okay, it's not as straightforward as you think. Okay, so now guys, Sophia, boleh bagi tahu saya tak CBD? Macam mana saya boleh cari sudut CBD? How can I find the angle? And the rest also. So you need to modify the diagram, of course. Theorem Pythagoras, okay, very good. It's a good starting point, correct? Okay, so guys, you analyze all the information you have. Okay, so CE equal to 8. Okay, so you label 8. CD is 3DE. Okay, Sophia, boleh bagi tahu saya CD berapa panjang berdasarkan nisbah ni? What is the length for CD? Okay, very good. Okay, the length of CD is 6. Okay, so the smaller part. Okay, CD over here is 6. Okay, so now you must find this one. Kamu kena cari panjang yang ni. Yes, very good. You must use the tangent. Okay, wait, let me see. Any other information? Okay, tak ada dah. Okay, so guys, wait, let me think and see. Oh, they already tell you, sorry. BC equal to 8 cm. Okay, so you already have the information. Yang ni adalah 8. Okay, guys, so you want to find this angle. So what you use, guys? Yes, tangent. Okay, so tangent theta equal to 6 over 8. Okay, so you can find theta. Okay, cari nilai theta. So can you all tell me final answer? In radian guys, dalam unit radian, 4 dp, 4.4. Try to press your calculator and see. So anyone? Okay, very good. The answer is 0.6436 radian. Okay, so this will be your answer. Okay guys, are you clear? So boleh dapat? Senang kan? Very simple only. The concept is you must get this triangle. Kalau kamu dapat yang ni, senang dah. Okay, you just need to draw the triangle, modify the diagram, and then you can get the answer. No need, guys. You can maintain in degree mode. Also can find one. Okay, so example. Okay, so you key in, right? 6 over 8, shift tangent. Am I right? Kamu dapat yang ni. Okay, you just need to times pi bagi 180. Then you get the answer in radian already. Can you see it? Okay, tak perlu tukar mode pun. Yes. Guys, when you change your mode to radian, sometimes you forget to change back. Then you use that mode for all the question. Habis. Semua jawapan salah. Because mode radian will give you different answer for the question not related to angle. Okay, soalan yang tak berkaitan sudut, kamu guna mode radian, habis. Semua salah. Okay, so be careful. Hati-hati. Mungkin kamu pernah alami lah situasi itu, saya tak tahu dalam peperiksaan kamu. Tapi kamu pasti belajar lah kalau sudah alami. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so next one. Question B. Okay, so question B slightly hard. They ask you to find the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, 4 marks, guys. Cari perimeter. Okay, so first step, guys. What should I do over here? Saya kena buat apa? Can anyone tell me? Very little information. Saya tak ada banyak informasi kat sini. Okay, so maybe one thing, you can find BD, guys. So can anyone tell me, BD apa nilai dia? Yes. Okay, because we can use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so you will have BD equal to 10. Okay, guys, DE is how much? Panjang DE. What will you get? Yes, 2. Okay, guys, so you must notice that 10 is actually your radius over here. 10 adalah jejari bagi sektor. Because the radius will spin. Okay, dia akan berpusing macam ni. So yang ni pun 10. Do you all understand? So this is the concept. Okay, so now, if you notice, there is another sector over here also. Can you all see this? You can draw a sector like this also. So guys, watch this, Tengok yang ni. Yes, equilateral triangle. Can you see guys how I modify the diagram? Boleh nampak tak? This is how you modify the diagram. So this is all same length, which is 10 cm. So maksudnya AG adalah 10. Do you all see? Because the radius is 10 throughout. Okay, so this is 10, everything is 10. Okay, so what is the angle here, guys? Apa sudut yang biru? What's the value? For equilateral? Yes, you already got the answer, 60. Okay, this one you already found earlier. Kamu dah cari kat jawapan A. Okay, so now you can find this angle, the green one. Kamu boleh cari dah. Okay, just use pi minus 60 minus with jawapan kat A. Okay, this one. Then you will get the final answer. Okay, so then guys, if I want to find length of arc, what formula? Yes, panjang lengkok S equal to R theta. Okay, so kamu guna untuk yang ni juga. Untuk cari dua lengkok. Find both of the area of sector. Okay guys, can I ask you, this angle is how much? Sudut yang ni. Yang hijau. Yes. Okay, this one you just take 90 minus 60. Okay, so you will get 30 darjah. Okay, very good. Okay, so you analyze everything Adila. Okay, so dah habis dah. Okay, one more thing is your, let me see, FE. Okay guys, for FE, right, it's a bit different. Okay, let me show you over here. You must be careful with FE a bit. Okay, FG, the FE and FG, yes. Okay, so FG, how much guys? Can you all tell me? FG berapa? Let me see the information. Okay, so they say G is the midpoint. Okay, G adalah titik tengah. Okay, so means that they are the same value. Mereka adalah nilai sama. 10, Zn is 10. Because our radius here was 10. Remember? Everything here is 10 cm1. Okay, because based on this triangle. Okay, so this one 10, and then this one is equilateral triangle. Segitiga sisi sama. Okay, so you just everything 10. Okay, so now, the concept is like that. Then yes, correct. You use Pythagoras theorem to find the FE. Okay guys, so you must be careful. The E point is not the same with G, you know. Dia bukan sama aras tau. So kena hati-hati. Okay, you must be careful. But it's 12, yes. Why 12 guys? Because you got an extra 2 cm here. Do you all remember? This is 10, 10 tambah 2. So means that one triangle like this. Okay, so this whole thing over here, seluruh yang ni 12. 10 tambah 2, 10 plus 2. How long is this guys? This one is how much? Yes. Okay, this one is 18. Okay, so how to get 18? This one is 10. This one is, wait, let me think. Oh, sorry, confused already. Okay, this one is 8. This one is 10. Okay, yes. So you will have 18. Okay, yang ni adalah 18. Are you all clear guys? Boleh dapat? So then you just use Pythagoras theorem to find FE. Then you plus everything up. Tambah semua sahaja. Okay, so your answer will look something like this. Okay, so first find BD, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so then you know the equilateral triangle, segitiga sisi sama, pi over 3 ataupun 60. Then you find the HBD untuk cari panjang lengkok. Okay, find the length of arc. Okay, so you use the length of arc formula. 10 times pi over 6. Okay, and then perimeter, you just plus everything up. Tambah semua nilai. Are you all clear guys? Can get it? Yes, plus 2 also. Okay, so this one you will score 4 mark if you get the correct answer. 4 markah. So totally you got 6 mark for this question. So can score? Boleh dapat? Why you think 8? I know this one is very long, right? Yang ni sangat panjang. Okay, but if you get the idea, it's very simple one. One idea come, every single idea will follow already because it's all in the same diagram. Oh, okay. Boleh. Thank you, Shakira, sebab join. Should be 10, yes. 10 marks, Oh, this one you have to go for section B already. Paper 2. There is no 10 mark question in paper 1, guys. Jangan harap yang ni. 10 markah hanya dalam kertas 2 saja. None in paper 1. Maximum paper 1 is 8 marks. Okay, 8 markah. Section B. Okay. Alright, so just now who I call lah? I also forget tadi. Tadi saya panggil siapa? Sofia kan? Okay, so bagi saya nombor 1 to 10. Okay, nak datang bawah dah ni. Yes, saya tak tanya kamu kan banyak soalan, tak apa. Tapi kamu belajar kan apa macam mana solve soalan ni. Okay, so 1 to 10, what number? I like 8. Okay, nombor yang sangat untung bagi orang Cina. Okay, number 5 and then 8. 6, 7, 8. Wah, Ahmad, kamu memang ada satu untung lah hari ni. Hari ni kamu akan dapat jackpot, saya rasa. Sebab 2 kali kamu kena dah nama kamu. I in my NMATS paper. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so Ahmad, next question is you. Okay, soalan yang seterusnya. Okay, yang ni. Vektor, Ahmad. Kamu suka kan vektor? Suka atau tak suka? Soalan ni okay lah. Tak sangat susah. Okay, boleh lah. Okay, so we already halfway through the paper, guys. If you all realize, we already halfway through. 1 hour means halfway lah. Correct. So pace is good. Okay, Ahmad. Soalan A. Boleh bagi tahu saya tak apa nilai dia? Sangat senang. They ask you to find the magnitude. ED tambah DB tambah BE. Tak perlu buat apa-apa. Terus bagi jawapan saja. So what is your answer? Yes, kosong lah guys. Tak perlu nampak selari Ahmad. Dia mula dengan huruf E, dia akhir dengan huruf E. Jadi kamu gerak apa-apa tak guys? Tak gerak kan? Kamu maintain saja pada kedudukan sama. So magnitude adalah sifar. 1 mark guys. Whenever you see 1 mark question, don't show any working. Jangan tunjuk apa-apa jalan kira. Just the answer only. Jawapan akhir. Okay Ahmad? So boleh nampak tak? Okay, contoh. ED, DB, BE. Tengok Ahmad. Kamu melalui jalan yang ni. So kamu kembali tak ke titik asal? Yes. Kamu kembali. You start at N at the same place guys. So that's why the resultant is 0. Daya paduan. Okay. Kamu belajar fizik kan? Okay. Ada segitiga macam ni kan? Okay. This is what you learn in physics. Physics student know this lah. Oh, modulus tu magnitude Ahmad. Masih ingat tak? Kita guna modulus untuk vektor. Boleh hubung kait sangat vektor dengan physics. Ya. Okay? Boleh Ahmad? Okay, so next question. Soalan B. Okay, so soalan B. Okay guys, they like to ask this. They always ask you to use vector triangle law. Okay, you see this, you already very scared lah. Okay, bila nampak hukum segitiga vektor ni, kamu takut. Sebenarnya tak apa-apa pun. Kamu kena guna segitiga tu saja dan tunjuk arah. You just need to show the triangle and draw. Yes, it's a normal method only actually. Kaedah biasa vektor saja guys. Dia hanya guna nama-nama fase saja. They just use fancy name to make you all scared. Nothing one. Use your normal concept only. 2 mark only. 2 markah sahaja. Okay. So they ask you to find E to C. Okay. So E to C. Okay. So vector like this lah. So what is the direction guys? You can think ED plus DC. Am I right? This is your possible part. Okay. So guys, can anyone tell me the EB panjang yang ni berapa guys? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? What is the length? Okay, so if you cannot see clearly, this one is 1,1 and this one is 5,11. Okay, so now you tell me, what is the length? Apa panjang? No need to use Pythagoras. This one vector. Yes, yes. This one is 11. Okay, yang ni 11. Yes, very good. So kamu akan tulis 4i tambah 10j. Am I right? Because 4 unit ke kanan, 10 unit ke atas. Okay, so you will write 4i plus 10j. Okay, kenapa macam ni guys? Sebab kamu lihat, 1 nak jadi 5. 1 become 5. How? 4 unit to the right. Am I right? Okay, second, and 1 become 11. 1 jadi 11 tambah 10. So that's why plus 10j. And then 4 over here. Like that. Okay, no need to do much calculation also. You can see and get the answer also. Okay? Alright guys. So this one is 11. So 11, can I ask you, is it 11i or 11j for the horizontal? Yang melintang. Adakah dia 11i atau j? What do you all think? Yes, I. Remember guys, right or left is always I. Kiri kanan I, atas bawah J. Alright? Okay, so guys, can I ask you, the vector over here is what? What do you all think? Yang ni adalah segi yes, segi empat selari. Okay, it is a parallelogram, guys. So means that are you sure? No, asking question B now. Soalan B now, guys. Okay, guys, in parallelogram, yes, same vector, guys. Okay, means this one also is 4i plus 10j. Do you all get it? Because parallelogram, they'll have the same vector since they are parallel. Okay, mereka adalah selari antara satu sama lain. So you just plus these two. Tambah dua-dua, dapat jawapan. Okay, are you clear, guys? So this is question B. So question B, your answer is like this. Okay, macam ni. Okay, so like this only. Ini saja guys, kamu kena tunjuk 2 markah. That's all. Settle. Okay. So whenever you see vector triangle law, don't get scared. Jangan takut. Nampak hukum segitiga tu senang saja. Very simple. Can we do this method? EO plus OC. Let me check and see. EO plus OC. Okay, I ask you a question. Do you have the information of OC or not? EO can. OC got information or not? Translation to find distance. 16i plus 11j. Let me see. What is your concept to get 16i plus 11j? If the vector is negative, it becomes positive, right? So sebab ada. Yes, modulus selalu kita ambil positive. How about distance? Distance formula can use in vector based on coordinate. Let me see. Oh, so this one you say is 12, 1. And then OC. Okay, I get it, Adi. Can. Okay, so you're using the concept OD plus DC. Am I right? Correct, right? Okay, can. No problem. Okay, maybe this one is not a common method people will think lah. Okay, ini bukan kaedah biasa. Tapi boleh juga. Okay, OD plus DC, you get OC also. Okay, I mean you get OC, then you take EO plus OC, you get EC. Okay, also can. Yes, ada dua kaedah. The first one is easier. The one I explained just now. Bukan trial, guys. Ini adalah soalan SPM sebenar, guys. Kamu tengah buat soalan SPM sebenar 2021. Okay? This is actual SPM paper 2021. We are on the 7th question already now. Okay? Alright. So next one. Question number C. No wonder. I think you can recognize. Okay, guys. Vector also like to ask this kind of question. Suka tanya soalan macam ni. Okay, so they say that a boy run from station E to cone at K with constant velocity, laju seragam. Okay, and then he ambil 3 key masa. So they ask you to find a vector equation. Okay, tulis satu persamaan vector. Okay, guys. So when you see this kind of question, look like hard, right? Nampak susah kan? Because this is a daily life question. Soalan aplikasi harian. Okay, guys. So what you must know here is the cone is at K. Okay, cone tu adalah pada K. So guys, whenever you have a coordinate phi P, what does this actually refer? Can you all tell me? Yang ni merujuk apa sebenarnya? What quantity? Quantity apa yang ni? 5P. Adakah dia... No. What physical quantity? Quantity fizik mana? 5P ni. Can anyone tell me? Okay, can I and J? I and J tu mewakili apa? What quantity? Quantity, guys. Quantity. Sesuatu yang kamu boleh kira. What is it? Yes, Angel, correct. Jarak, guys. Whenever you have coordinate, it's showing you distance. Am I right? From the origin. Dia tengah tunjuk jarak kamu dari asalan. So guys, can you all tell me? Distance equal to what? Jarak sama dengan apa? Yes. Okay, wait. Okay, yes. Distance equal to speed times time. Betul. Ahmad, mana jawapan kamu? Kamu dah senyap dah. Okay, jawab juga. sekarang turn kamu. Okay, jarak sama dengan laju dalam masa. Speed times time. Okay, so speed, you already have here. Time, T. Am I right? So he say he start at 11. Dia mula kat E. Okay, so coordinate E adalah 11. So guys, then you plus with time times with 34. Do you all understand this equation? Boleh faham? Okay, this one is your time. This one is your speed. Okay, so speed times time, you get distance. Distance plus distance equal to distance. Make sense, right guys? Okay, yang ni adalah jarak, yang ni pun adalah satu jarak, kamu dapat jarak yang ni. So this is the concept. This is the vector equation, persamaan vector. Okay guys, so now can you all find your T and P? Very easy, right? Sangat senang dah. You just solve simultaneous equation, persamaan serentak. Matrix kamu semua buat yang ni kan? Form 5 bab 2, mathematics. Matrix you all learn how to solve this. Okay, very simple. Okay, if you're a math student, you know already. Okay, so you will get the answers. Okay, so ini adalah jawapan dia. Understand guys? Dan Ahmad boleh dapat soalan ni adalah 1, 2, 3, 6 markah. 6 marks. Question number 7. Okay, can we proceed? Next question. Soalan 8 dah. Number 8. Okay, so Ahmad, can you give me a number? Boleh bagi saya nombor tak? 1 sampai 10. Your favorite number. Oh, 1. Okay, Aifei, are you here? I rasa kamu saja nak target orang tu. Aifei, are you here? Okay, good. Okay, so can you tell me what chapter is this question? And what form? Okay guys, this question is a killer. Soalan ni memang susah. Especially bahagian A. Derive guys, your favorite. Buktikan, terbitkan. You all like this, right? A lot in maths. Not die one. Only 2 marks guys. Kamu tak jawab pun tak apa. 2 markah saja. Only 2 marks. Don't worry. The question on derive won't be so long. Hey, don't skip. I must teach you. Okay, anyone know how to derive this or not? Siapa pernah belajar macam mana derive rumus pembahagi tempering garis? Do you all remember this type of deriving? Pernah buat kan? I rasa kamu pernah buat. Okay, never mind. I explain to you. This one got no concept one. You must memorize how to do it. Okay, actually understand also a bit. Okay guys, so you got a line segment like this. This is where you should start. Kamu kena terbitkan rumus tu, Angel. Tak boleh salin saja. Kamu kena tunjuk macam mana dapat yang tu. Okay, so kamu kena bagi idea. You must give your idea. So itu susahnya soalan buktikan atau terbitkan. Okay guys, so line segment, right? So you draw a line segment lah. Kamu lukis segmen garis macam ni. Okay, so kamu bagi label yang kamu suka. Tak ada apa yang fix. Okay, so example you put A, P, Q, C, R, S. Okay, biasanya kan guys, titik kat tengah-tengah garis. Yes. The point at the middle of the line, we always give a symbol XY. Okay, to avoid confusion. Elakkan daripada confuse. Selalu guna yang ni, XY, untuk yang kat tengah-tengah. Jangan letak yang lain. Okay, so from here guys, how do we get the concept? Okay, so first step, we compare X coordinate with X coordinate. Kita bandingkan koordinat X dengan X, Y dengan Y. Kita akan bentukkan 2 persamaan. Ini adalah konsep untuk soalan ni. We will form 2 equation, then you can get the formula. Okay, so you see over here, the concept we use here is ratio. Okay guys, so when you compare M and N, the ratio of the lengths, kamu bandingkan nisbah panjang macam mana? Berdasarkan koordinat Y kan? Okay, so you take Q minus Y, okay, koordinat Y, Q minus Y, bahagi Y minus S. Sama dengan M, okay, sebab ke atas dia adalah merujuk jarak M, ke bawah dia merujuk jarak N. Boleh faham tak guys? Senang kan? Very simple, right? To get this equation. Okay, you're just comparing the distance ratio only. Okay, so Q minus Y, distance M, Y minus S, distance N. Okay, that is the concept. Then you repeat the same thing with X coordinate. Kamu ulang benda sama untuk X. So, kamu dapat 2 persamaan dah. Okay, this one is just algebra. Kamu buat algebra saja. Okay, so you express Y in term of M, N, S, Q. Okay, kamu ungkapkan Y dalam semua sebutan lain. Okay, because our goal is to find XY. Am I right, guys? Kamu kena cari yang ni kan untuk buktikan rumus pembahagi tempering tu. Okay, sebab rumus dia macam ni kan. XY sama dengan NX1 tambah MX2. Kamu nampak kan guys rumus ni sebelum ni. This is the formula for divisor of line segment. Okay, so it means that you must find your X and Y. Kamu kena cari nilai X dan Y. So X akan sama dengan yang ni dan Y akan sama dengan yang ni. Do you all get it or not? This is the concept. That's why we form two equation. Kita bentuk dua persamaan adalah untuk tujuan yang tu. Okay? So kamu ulang benda yang sama untuk coordinate X pula. Okay, you repeat the exact same process for X. So nanti yes, saya akan hantar terus satu PDF macam ni. Okay guys. So kamu boleh ungkapkan X dalam sebutan yang lain juga. Konsep sama macam tadi. Exactly the same. So guys, you already proven the formula. Kamu dah buktikan. Okay, you may ask me why doesn't it look the same as my normal formula? You guys must realize, kamu guna simbol PQRS. Betul? Kamu semua tak guna X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Am I right? At the starting, you never use that symbol. So definitely your answer dia akan nampak beza sikit lah. Tapi bentuk dia sama. The format of your answer is the same as the formula. Can you all understand? Clear? So when come out in exam can do? Wah, Rose also understand lah. Are you sure? You never take Admaths also you understand lah. Tengok guys, orang yang tak ambil Admaths pun boleh faham yang ni. So kamu ambil Admaths buat apa? Orang tak ambil Admaths, ambil matematik biasa pun boleh faham apa yang saya ajar. So kamu semua pastilah kena faham. 100%. Okay, very good. Okay, so the answer is like this. So itu adalah motivasi kamu lah. Okay, so now question B1 guys. Okay, kamu guna jawapan tadi. Yes, SPM 2023 no proving guys. If you notice, SPM paling dekat tak ada soalan buktikan. There is no proving. But it's good for you to know. Bagus untuk kamu tahu. Tiba-tiba SPM kamu dia nak kembalikan soalan buktikan macam mana. Yes, this is 2021 SPM. 2022 also got proving. But 2023 tak ada. Ada. Sampai 2022 ada. So tak tahu kalau mereka nak guna balik tak ke 2024 untuk SPM kamu. Tak tahulah, nasib sajalah. It's all luck one guys. 100% luck only. New format. No, exact same format. But they just never come out the proving question. Mereka saja tak bagi soalan buktikan. Tapi soalan-soalan lain dia naikkan tahap kesukaran lah. Sebab tak ada soalan buktikan. So macam tu. The rest of the question is harder. Yes. But proving is actually not part of a format. It's just one question only. Satu soalan sahaja. So it's not considered as new format. Okay, because the number of question all the same. Oh, I see. Never mind lah. Format change or never change is okay guys. You still focus to do how to do the proving. Okay? Alright, so now Aife. Untuk B1, dia suruh nyatakan julat R dan S. Okay, so how to do this? Macam mana buat? Okay, so kamu kena guna jawapan tadi lah. Okay, you must use your answer just now. Okay, so you'll have something like this. Okay guys, so now they already give you the coordinate. Am I right? Mereka sudah bagi kat kamu dalam soalan, ini adalah coordinate A dan B. Okay guys, so what is the concept? How do I find the julat untuk R dan S? Can anyone tell me? R and S, your range. How do you get it? Macam mana dapat julat dia? Yes, can? Okay, no problem. Yes, you can do that. Boleh. Okay, so basically what you do, right, guys? You can use your ratio just now. Kamu boleh guna nisbah tadi. Do you all remember this, guys? This information over here just now, and this information, you can use back these two information. Okay, you can use it. Okay, exactly the same because you have the coordinate tadi. So kamu gantikan saja nilai coordinate dalam formula kamu. Okay, tadi this one is PQ, right? This one is RS, right? Okay, so P equal to 3, Q equal to 2. Okay, so you just substitute in your formula. Gantikan dalam rumus sahaja. And now your X is 6, Y is 2. Sorry, Y is 0. Okay, X 6, Y kosong. Okay, this is your X and Y, guys. Okay, so you just substitute and then kamu boleh dapatkan julat dah. Okay, so kamu kena bijak lah. Kalau soalan tanya julat R, the question asks you the range of R. Of course, kamu akan guna yang ni lah. Sebab kamu nampak simbol R. You see the symbol over here. When they ask you julat S, range of S, of course you use this lah. Sebab kamu ada huruf S. Boleh faham tak, guys? Can you understand? So you use these two formula over here. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, susun sahaja persamaan. Just arrange the equation. Something like this. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, so over here, right, guys, kamu kena ingat soalan ada bagi anggapan ni. The question give you this assumption. Okay, so when M is less than or equal to N, means that this value is greater than this value. Am I right? Penyebut pecahan lebih besar dari pengangka. Okay, your denominator is greater than numerator. So this is the inequality you get. Do you all understand this step or not, guys? 1 or 2? Boleh faham tak? Macam mana saya dapat yang tu? Can ah? Okay, because M is less than N. Okay, maksudnya yang ni lebih kecil, yang ni lebih besar. Okay? Okay, Jose also put 1. Okay, so means that R minus 6 greater than 6 minus 3. Okay? Same concept untuk S. You use the exact same thing. Okay, so M less than or equal to N. So means that N is greater than M. Nilai ni lebih besar dari nilai M. Okay, so you just need to solve the inequality. Selesaikan ketaksamaan saja. Then you will get the answer for S. Okay? Are you guys clear? Boleh? Can guys? Okay. So next question. Soalan seterusnya. Okay, question number 2. They ask you to find the value of P if this equation is parallel. Okay guys, parallel mean what? Selari membawa maksud apa kepada kamu? Yes, same gradient guys. Kecerunan yang sama. Okay, so you just need to find the gradient of AB. Okay, cari kecerunan AB. Kamu ada 2 titik, boleh cari kecerunan dah. Okay, you just find the gradient. And then yes, I say, you equalize. Okay, bagi kecerunan garis ni sama dengan kecerunan garis AB. Sebab dia kata selari, parallel. Okay, so your working will look something like this. Macam ni kamu akan dapat. Okay, are you clear guys? Just now equation you must rearrange, you know. Kena susun dalam y equal to mx plus c. Then only you can get the gradient. Kamu kena susun dalam bentuk ni dulu. Baru dapat kecerunan garis tu. Okay, kamu tak boleh lihat kecerunan terus dari sini. Tak boleh. Alright, clear guys? Can we proceed? Next question. Soalan seterusnya. Question number 9. Okay, Aife, give me a number. Satu nombor, 1 sampai 10. This question a bit hard also. Number 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Ariana Nur, kembali kepada kamu. Are you here? Wah, I don't know why today everyone so lucky. Ahmad kena, Ariana kena. So Ariana, are you here? Masih ada tak kat sini? Oh, kamu kenal dia ke? Sofia. Oh, same class. Oh, okay, okay. Very good. So Ariana, bab ni apa? What chapter yang kamu boleh kenal pasti soalan ni? Come on, come on. What chapter? This one is Form 5, Chapter 3. Yes, very good. Integration, guys. Pengamilan. Okay. So first question, they ask you to find equation of gx. Okay, so how to find the equation of gx? Okay, so they tell you that area under curve, luas bawah lengkung adalah yang ni. So guys, do you understand this meaning or not? This one over here is after you integrate. Am I right? Selepas kamu kamil luas di bawah lengkung, kamu dapat persamaan ni. So after you integrate, you get this equation. So guys, Not yet. They ask you equation, guys. Mereka tanya persamaan GX. So you don't need to sub. When you sub means you're trying to find area. Do you understand? When you sub the limit, you're finding area. But question asks you equation, persamaan. Okay, guys. So what do you think is the persamaan? Ini adalah selepas kamu kami. So persamaan asal kamu kena cari macam mana. How do you find the original equation after you integrate? Yes, you just do the opposite process lah guys. Kamu buat proses yang bertentangan. Bezakan persamaan ni untuk dapat persamaan asal sebelum dikamikan. Can you all understand? Okay, you differentiate the equation to get the original before you integrate it. Okay, so you just get negative 3x squared plus 8x minus 4. That is your answer. Settle. Very easy, right guys? Sangat senang kan? Kamu hanya perlu bezakan yang tu saja. Just differentiate that. Okay, next one. They ask you the area of shaded region. Luas kawasan berlorek. Okay guys, this one is hard. Yang ni susah sikit. So can anyone tell me, what is the idea over here? What do you all think? Think for a while. Cuba fikir. Okay, so I give you one clue guys. Kamu tarik yang ni ke bawah. Can you all see it now? They ask you to find the area of shaded region. Luas kawasan berlorek. So what will be the concept? I think it's quite clear. So kamu ambil apa guys? Ariana, ada idea? Macam mana nak cari luas kawasan berlorek? How to find the shaded region? Hello Ariana. Yes, minus the area below the curve, correct. Guys, you must take the total. Kamu ambil luas di bawah rantau ni, iaitu merah, tolak dengan luas di bawah lengkung ni, iaitu biru. Boleh faham tak guys? You take the red area minus the blue area, you get the shaded region, kawasan berlorek, iaitu yang hijau. Are you clear? This is the concept. Can? One or two guys. Come on. I need the number from you all. Can? Yes, blue area is already given guys. Ini adalah rumus dia untuk kawasan biru. So you just substitute the upper limit and lower limit. Gantikan had atas, had bawah, cari luas. Okay, and then the bigger area, kamu hanya perlu kami persamaan ni. Okay, so you integrate 1 to 2 x cubed minus 6x squared plus 12x minus 6. Okay, so ini adalah persamaan dia. Okay, minus with tolak dengan yang ni. This one over here. Okay, are you all clear? Boleh dapat? So your answer you should get 3 over 4 unit square after you solve. Okay, so ini adalah langkah dia. Okay guys, one more thing. When you see that they have the same limit, right? Bila kamu nampak had sama, kamu boleh combine terus. Dua-dua persamaan. You combine them with a minus sign in between. Okay, why can combine? Because same limit. Ada had sama, iaitu 21. Only same limit you can combine both equation by minus. Okay, between both of them. Are you all clear? Then you just solve the integration as normal. Selesaikan macam biasa saja sampai dapat jawapan. Okay? Can guys? Question number 10. Question number 9. Are you clear? Can? Okay, next one. Ariana, bagi saya satu nombor. 1 to 10. Now we are going question number 10. Soalan ke-10. Because, Ahmad, yang ni selepas kamu kami akan dapat persamaan ni. Boleh faham? Sebab kamu nampak had kan? Maksudnya kita dah kami sesuatu persamaan yang kita tak tahu. Okay, kita dapat jawapan ni. Boleh faham? So macam mana kita boleh dapat balik jawapan yang kita tak tahu tu? Kita kena buat proses yang bertentangan daripada pengambilan, iaitu pembezaan. Boleh faham? So kita bezakan persamaan ni untuk dapat jawapan asal kita. Okay, iaitu persamaan Y. So mereka tunjuk sebahagian daripada langkah saja. Mereka tak tunjuk persamaan asal yang kamu kami. So that's why kamu kena bezakan untuk dapat jawapan asal. Coming. It's coming guys. Coming very soon. Okay, Ariana. Boleh bagi nombor tak? 1 to 10. Are you here? One ah. Okay, kamu nak kenal satu lagi orang. Chiu Chiu. Are you here? CHIEU. CHIEW. Adakah anda di sini? Okay. Can you tell me what chapter is this? Apa bab yang ni? Come on guys, we're going to finish already. Last 5 questions. Semangat. 5 more. Yes, this is Form 4 Chapter 5 guys. Progression. Janjang. Okay, this question very hard one, you know. Susah. This question is hard. Guys, please trust me. NMATS, there is no common sense. Please agree with me on this. Dalam soalan NMATS tak ada logik punya kadang-kadang. Tapi jawab sajalah guys. Jangan fikir apa-apa. Don't think anything. Although not logic, kamu jawab saja. Asalkan kamu score semua markah ni, settle. Okay? So now, semacam tu lah kena buat. Oh, just left. Don't worry. I'll guide you. Okay guys. So you see the aluminium sheet over here. Okay, so they tell you that it increase. Guys, keyword, increase, bertambah. AP or GP? Arithmetic atau geometric? Increase, bertambah. Yes. Keyword guys, question won't tell you AP or GP. You must identify on your own. Kamu kena pasti berdasarkan kata kunci. Yes. Okay guys, so they ask you to state the length of the first 3 aluminium. Okay, so they say the length of the first sheet is X. Yang pertama 2X. So means that X plus 20, and then X plus 40. Am I right? So ini adalah 3 term pertama. Settle soalan A. Okay, so this is your answer for question A. Okay, 1 mark only. Okay, next one. Question B. Mereka suruh cari jumlah 18 kepingan terakhir. Okay, this one a bit hard. They ask you to find the last 18 sheet. Total length guys. Jumlah yang 18 terakhir. Okay guys. So what is the concept over here? Can anyone tell me? First step. What should you find? You see the question carefully. Nampak soalan? Yes. Very good. Find the S72 guys. You're right. Okay. So why we find S72? Because we want to know the total length from the first sheet until the last sheet. Because we have 72 section only guys. 72 saja. So kita nak tahu jumlah sampai ke akhir. So we use S72. Okay. So A value. Okay. So now first, they already tell you the length is this one. Am I right? This is SN. So 55440. This is the equation that you can come out with. Persamaan dia. Can you all see? 72 keping jumlah panjang nilai ni. Okay. All right. So now use your AP formula for sum. Okay. And then you can get the answer. Okay. So you should get something like this. Okay. So first of all, okay, never mind. You use this one first. Kamu buat yang ni dulu. Jangan lihat yang ni. Abaikan yang tu dulu. Okay. So S72. Okay. So you can find the common difference guys. So common difference is 20. Am I right? Because it increased by 20. Okay, tambah 20. Okay, but then, wait. Okay, so it's A plus N minus 1D. Am I right? Yes, total. Correct. So your difference, right, guys? Common difference must be the total one. Jumlah, beza sepunya kamu kena jadi total. So guys, if one sheet to another sheet increased by 20, now we got 72 sheet. So what will be the common difference? What do you all think? What should you do to get the common difference? Beza sepunya. You should just times with 72. Am I right? Correct, right, guys? Okay, so you will get 1440. The total common difference. Beza sepunya dari yang pertama sampai ke 72. Sebab setiap tambah 20. So tambah 20, 72 kali. 72 times. Because you have 72 sheets. Okay? 72 kepingan. So you will get X equal to 60 after you solve. Okay, just solve the equation. Alright? Okay, so now they ask you the 18 kepingan terakhir, the sum. So how to find, guys? Can I say S18, guys? Is it correct or not? If I say like this, S18, 18 kepingan terakhir. Adakah ni betul tak guys? Is it correct? The rest, what do you all think? Correct or not? If I write S18, am I right? Yes or no? Come on guys, comment. Yes, it's wrong guys. Do you know why it's wrong? Yes. Remember guys, SN formula is for the first n term. Hasil tambah sebutan n pertama. Remember that. So S18 does not mean first 18 term. Sorry, it means first 18 terms. Okay, but question asks you last 18 terms, not first 18 terms. Dia suruh tanya yang 18 terakhir, bukan 18 pertama. Okay, so you must use a different concept. So what is the concept, guys? You can think. You can take S72 minus every single thing that is in front of the last 18 term. Can you all get it? So you just take S72 minus S. Okay, so you do press calculator. 72 minus 18. 72 tolak 18. You get 54. Am I right? So 54 until 72. You can count one by one lah, guys. Okay, 72 minus 54 is 18. But be careful, guys. 54 until 72. Can you all tell me how many terms you have, guys? Berapa sebutan kamu ada? 54 until 72. Can anyone tell me this? How many terms you have over here? What do you all think? Is it 18? Yes, guys. Remember, it's 19, guys. 19. Jangan ambil 72 tolak 54, kamu kata 18. Salah. Kena tambah 1 pada jawapan selalunya. Kamu boleh kira guna jari. Use your fingers to count, you will get 19. Trust me. Okay, so means that you should actually find what, guys? You should find until S55. Am I right? Okay, because 55 until 72, you get 18 term. So you take S72 minus the first 55 term. So you get the last 18 term. So this is the concept over here. Okay, are you clear, guys? Over here, they use a different method. Mereka guna kaedah berbeza. But you can use this method also. You will get the same answer. Okay, over here, they direct find the last 18 term. Okay, means that they find this value, T55 first. Mereka cari nilai itu sebagai nilai A. And the common difference is 20. Still 20. Okay, can you all get it? Can, method ni lebih pantas, tapi kamu kena tahu nilai A adalah sebutan ke-55. Your A value is actually the 55th term, not the first term, because they're asking you last 18 term. So the 55th term become the first term. Okay, because your progression is 55 to 72 only now. Okay, if don't want to confuse, kamu guna method saya. Kamu boleh guna A sebagai nilai X kamu, yaitu 60. Okay, can, clear? Okay, next one. Soalan C. Okay, guys, this one also very hard. Susah juga. Okay, so they want you to form a cylinder with maximum volume. Cylinder dengan isi padu maximum. So they ask you two methods, guys. Okay, can you all tell me, how will the cylinder look? Macam mana cylinder tu nampak? Kalau saya nak bagi dia bentuk dia dalam dua cara. So can you describe to me? Cuba huraikan bagi saya. What are the two different way? Anyone? Cuba saja, jangan risau. What are the two method you can think of? Anyone? Hello? What are the two method I can form a cylinder? Yes, the first method is the cylinder look like this. Am I right? Ini adalah salah satu cylinder. Another way, how can I make the cylinder? If one is upright, the other one is, yes, guys, boleh nampak tak? Cylinder boleh menegak ataupun mendatar. So these are the two way you can form the cylinder. Macam ni saja. Okay, so now you need to check which one can give you a maximum volume. Okay, so the first method is if it's lying down. Okay, mendatar. Okay, so you must find the volume. Okay, so what is the formula, guys? Volume of cylinder. Can you all tell me? Kalau kamu masih ingat, you must remember this. Admaths won't tell you the formula one. Kena ingat. So what is it? Volume cylinder. Very good. Pi r square h, guys. Remember. Okay, for modern maths. Okay, so you can find the length. Okay, cari panjang. Okay, let me see. Okay, so they tell you the height is 500 already in the diagram. Okay, tinggi dia adalah 500. So it'll be fixed one. It's always 500. But your length will be same also. Okay, because you can find using A plus N minus 1D. Am I right, guys? Kamu nak cari yang paling besar. Okay, kamu nak dapat panjang yang paling besar supaya volume kamu juga paling besar. Can you understand, guys? When your radius is higher, your volume is also maximum. Am I right? So that's why they substitute n equal to 72. Okay, because the last term is the biggest one, paling panjang, sebab dia bertambah 20 sampai yang terakhir. So yang terakhir akan menghasilkan yang paling besar isi padu, the largest volume. Okay, so you can direct find the answer. Okay, so you must understand that this one is your circumference of the cylinder, the circle. Do you remember, guys? The circle, the formula of circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, ini adalah rumus untuk lilitan bulatan. So it's equal to the 1480. Okay, you must imagine, guys, a bit how the cylinder look like. Okay, you can use your water bottle as an example. This is the 1480. This is the 500. Wait. Yes, correct. Okay, so your height is 500 and then 1480. Okay, so you can refer to your water bottle. Okay, so then you just express R in term of pi. Okay, kamu ungkapkan R dalam sebutan pi. Okay, why you do this? Because I want to find the volume. V equal to pi R square H. Okay, so I want to substitute the R. Gantikan nilai R with a value. Okay, so you will get this as your volume. Do you understand? Boleh dapat? Senang kan? Very easy, right? You just imagine only. Okay, second one, you switch the position. Now it's upright, menegak. Okay, so now, guys, the circle is the 500. Can you all see it, guys? This one is the circle. Imagine it 3D. Can you see it? 1480, circle, 500, 500. So, ukur lilit 2 pi r equal to 500. Can you understand? Okay, it's just like that only. The whole 500 is this one. This whole round until here. Come back here. Start here. Come back here. 500. That is the concept. That's why you have 2 pi r sama dengan 500. Okay, so you have r in term of pi, kira isi padu. Okay, guys, so can you see which one is larger now? Boleh nampak kan? Okay, so the method 1 actually give you a larger cylinder. Kaedah 1. Okay, sebab kaedah 1, the value is 10 power 8. Okay, kaedah 2, the value is, 10 power 8 also. You have to refer the nilai. Okay, refer to the value, guys. Sorry. The second one is not 10 power 8. Okay, the second one is 10 power 7. Okay, yes, power 7. Okay, the second one is 10 power 7 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 7. Okay, guys, are you clear? So the first one is maximum. Clear? Boleh dapat, guys? 1 or 2? Okay. Tadi saya panggil siapa? Saya dah lupa. Who I call? Sorry, I forget just now. Who did I call? Whose name? Just now who asked? Form 4, chapter 4? Your question is coming already now. Sorry, Form 5, chapter 4. Okay, guys, I just choose random lah. Don't want to waste time. Let me choose and see who to ask. I also don't know. Huini, are you here? Tan Huini. If you're here, can you respond? Yes, if you're here.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, Huini, can you tell me, number 1, what is the answer? People write already. Okay, correct. Yes, so the answer is 6 factorial. Am I right? Because 6 card, you arrange randomly. Okay, so very simple, number 1. 6 factorial only. Okay, number 2 is the hard one, guys. Number 2 susah. Okay, they ask you to find the number of different proper fraction. Okay, yes, you only understand number 1. Number 2 very hard, guys. Trust me. Okay, a lot of cases you need to consider. Okay, so first thing, proper fraction. What is the meaning of proper fraction? Can you all tell me? Apa maksud pecahan wajar? You must understand this. What do you understand about a proper fraction? Yes, the number on top must be smaller than the number at the bottom. Ke atas lebih kecil, ke bawah lebih besar. So guys, you must consider this. Okay, so how can I form a proper fraction, you think? With 6 cards. Okay, so maybe, wait, 4 cards, sorry. Kamu kena pilih 4 cards sahaja. Okay, so the possibility is, I can have 1 card on top, and then 3 cards at the bottom. Hey, wait, guys. The drawing coming so bad. Okay, so 1 on top. Wow, the pisting don't want to cooperate with me. Never mind. Okay, so you understand lah, guys. 1 card on top, 3 at bottom. Okay, second case, yes, 2 over 2, guys. 2 card on top, 2 on bottom. Can it be 3 over 2, guys? 3 card on top, 2 card on bottom. Boleh tak? Untuk pecahan wajar, cannot. Okay, definitely improper. Okay, so got only 2 cases, but these 2 cases you can split to different case. Okay, so this is the way we do it. Okay, guys. So for 1 card on top, 3 card at the bottom, this is the method. Okay, so first of all, they also say it's even number. Okay, even number is arranged side by side. Okay, nombor yang genap kena bersebelahan. Okay, so over here, if you refer 2 and 6. Okay, so means that 2 and 6 always bersebelahan. I don't have. I think you can find lah. Okay, so 2 and 6 bersebelahan. So guys, we can only put them here. Am I right? Kita hanya boleh letak kat bawah. Okay, so guys, 2 and 6 bersebelahan. Can they switch place? Boleh tak mereka tukar tempat? Yes, 2 factorial. When you can switch place, 2 factorial. Can they move over here? Yes, mereka boleh gerak 2 kedudukan. So times 2 factorial again. Okay, and then this one times 3. Times 3 is because let me see. Okay, so you have 2, 6, and then if you want to make it proper, basically you got 1, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so you got 4 cards remaining. Okay, so the on top card, the top card is 4P1. Am I right? 4P1 kan, guys? You got 4 cards, choose 1 place. Then the bottom card is what, guys? What do you all think? 3P1. Am I right, guys? Betul kan? Okay, sebab 4 pilihan ke atas, saya isi 1. Lepas tu bawah, 3P1. Okay, kalau terbalik pun tak apa. Masih sama. Okay, sebab dia adalah hubungan darab. If you want to put 3P1 on top, 4P1 bottom, also same. You get the same answer. 48 ways. Are you all clear, guys? Boleh dapat? Case pertama. Can, all good?
Okay.
1 or 2? Can, I know it's hard, but survive. Okay. All right. So next case is 2 by 2. Okay. 2 by 2 got many way, guys. Okay. 2 by 2. Okay. You can think like this lah. 2 by 2. Okay, guys. They say even number side by side. So even number side by side mean that even number can be on top. Am I right? Let's say the even number is on top. Okay. Nombor genap ke atas. Okay. So guys, can they switch position? Can, right? Sepatutnya mereka boleh tukar kedudukan. So it's 2 factorial on top. Yes, very good. Okay, and then at the bottom, 2 by 2, you must be careful, guys. Can I put, let me see, number 9? Sorry. Can I put number 1 over here? Boleh tak? Letak number 1, cannot. Because it become improper already. Yes, can. 62 can. But you must be careful of the number in the front. Kena hati-hati, yes. Okay, you have to put 5, 7, 9 only. Okay, because if you start with 1, 2, 26 over 10, improper, pecahan tak wajar. So you have to start with a digit larger than 2, lebih besar dari 2. Okay, contoh adalah 5. Okay, so you will have, let me see, 9 ways. Okay, so can you see here, guys? 51, 71, 91. So guys, 3 possibility. Okay, and different combination lah. Okay, so you can see here got 3 combination. Kamu boleh senaraikan macam ni lah. 51, 57, 59. or 71, 75, 71, 79, or 91, 95, 97. So can you see guys, you got 9 possibility. 9 jawapan untuk susunan macam ni. You can write out like this guys to understand better. Okay, kamu boleh nampak dengan lebih bagus. Okay, yes. Okay, now let's see guys. If the case is 62, okay, 62 ke atas, what are the possibility? It can only start with 7 or 9. Am I right? 7 atau 9 saja kan? So 71, 75, 79, 91, 95, 97. Okay, so 3 ways each. Okay, settle. Okay, now let's say the 2 and 6 is at the bottom, like this case. Okay, 2 and 6 at the bottom. Okay, so means that you got only one choice. Nombor 1 saja supaya dia pecahan wajar, proper fraction. Okay, so 15, 17, 19. Okay, so you got 6 ways. Why? Because here 3 possibility. Over here I can put 26 or 62. Both of these also can, because they will still maintain as a proper fraction, pecahan wajar. So 3 times 2, you have 6 possibility. Are you clear? Can you all see that? Okay, so you can switch between 26 or 62. Okay, for 62 can be 1, yes, can. Then the possibility is like this guys: 15, 26, 15, 62, 17, 26, 17, 62, 19, 26, 19, 62, 6. That's how you get number 6. Okay. Okay, so next one. Let's say I fix must be 62 at the bottom. Yes, it'll be the same one. Okay, so if 62 at the bottom means, let's say I don't want number 1. Saya tak mau nombor 1. So it has to be number 5. Okay, 51, 57, or 59. So 3 ways. Okay, guys, we settle already. Okay, this one you no need to use. This one is a separate method. If you understand just now method, you get the answer already. Dapat jawapan dah. Okay, you just plus every single answer here. Tambah semua. Okay, you will get the answer 72. Guys, sangat kecil jawapan. It's so small, the answer. 72 only. Yes, very long. Because got many case. Add all the case together. Tambah semua. Don't give up lah guys, please. Hopefully, but can you understand or not how I explain? Can you get it or not? Boleh dapat tak? You must just think organized. Fikir secara systematic. Okay, example, you start with 26 on top. Then, okay, can lah. If you guys got time at the end, then attempt the question. You do every single other question first, then you come back to this. Boleh? You buat semua yang lain dulu, then you come back to this chapter. Okay, kita proceed. We go on. Okay, part B. Okay, this one very simple. This one senang guys, jangan risau. Okay guys, so for this one, they ask you state the maximum value of n. Nyatakan nilai minimum. Nilai minimum n. MCN. So this n value, what is the minimum guys? Can you all tell me? Logic, gabungan. So n, minimum dapat berapa? What will you get? Yes, 0. Guys, just now the question, if you don't understand, right? Please come back to ask me. Just now permutation question. If you don't understand, you watch back my recording. You will understand better. Because when you repeat many times, you see the video, you will get it. Or if you still don't understand, you WhatsApp me. I explain to you again. Okay, because now I want to complete the paper. That's why. Okay. So yeah. So n is 0. Okay, next one. They ask you find the value of p. Okay. So they say that number of different way to choose 3 pencil. Okay, bilangan cara memilih 3 pensel is 26 times p minus 2. Okay, so you will have NC3 equal to 26 p minus 2. Boleh faham yang ni guys? Can you understand? Because you can choose 0 object. Am I right? WC. That's why n the minimum is 0 lah. You can choose nothing in a combination question. You may have 8 object, but you choose nothing. So 8C0. Am I right? So this is your n value lah. Minimum is 0. Okay? Okay guys, do you understand this equation over here? Boleh faham? Okay, choose 3 pencil means C3 and then total N. Okay, so you just selesaikan lah. Okay, so you use the formula of combination. Okay, so this is your formula. Rumus bagi gabungan. Okay, something like this. You can refer on the front page. This is the formula. Why you seeing until like that? Don't need to see so detailed, guys. Don't analyze the paper like that. Okay, SPM can come out different also if they want. Okay, guys. So over here, your N value is P, R value is 3. Oh, okay, I understand, Eddie. Very smart, you guys. Okay, guys. When you see this kind of equation now, how to solve? Okay, the concept is we want to cut the top and bottom part. So you can see over here the p factorial and 3 factorial. Okay, usually when we have factorial sign, we are going to try to expand it. Okay, kita akan cuba kembangkan dia. Alright, so example, 5 factorial equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, ini adalah pola dia. 5 kali 4 kali 2 kali 1 kali 3. Okay, so macam mana kita boleh cerakinkan yang ni? How do we break this down? Okay, so if you check and see, 4 is 5 times 4 is 5 minus 1, 3 is 5 minus 2, and then 2 is 5 minus 3, 1 is 5 minus 4. Okay, ini adalah pola dia. So you can see that the number we minus always increase by 1. Nombor yang kita tolak tu selalunya bertambah 1. Okay, so it's the same concept untuk p factorial. Konsep sama sahaja. Okay, so p factorial I can write as p times p minus 1 times p minus 2 times p minus 3 factorial. Okay, bila kita nak berhenti, kita akan letak simbol factorial. When we want to stop the working, we will always add a factorial sign. So how to know where do we stop the working? Okay, our main aim here is to cut up and down. Am I right? Kita nak potong atas dan bawah. So if you check and see the bottom part, we have p minus 3 factorial. Okay, kita ada ungkapan yang ni. We have this term. Okay, so we will expand until we get the term of p minus 3 factorial. Kita akan buat sampai macam ni. Okay, so now kita boleh lihat ungkapan serupa. We can see the similar term. So we just cut on top and bottom. Okay, for this question. And then we just need to darab silang. Okay, just cross multiply. Okay, and then you will get this equation. Kamu akan dapat persamaan ni. And then you just solve it until you get your p value. Selesaikan algebra biasa sahaja. Okay, untuk cari nilai p. Okay, so over here you must form quadratic equation. Kena bentuk persamaan kuadratik. So this will be your equation. Okay, so the 13 times 12 you need to shift to the right hand side. Pindah 13 darab 12 ke sebelah kiri. Okay, so you will get this. And then just tekan calculator. Use calculator to find your p value. You should have 2 p value. Kamu akan ada 2 nilai p, tapi kita hanya terima 1 sahaja. We only accept 1 p because number of ways, okay, bilangan cara mestilah nilai yang positif. Okay, the number of ways is a positive answer. So that's why p is equal to 13. P kena lebih besar dari kosong. The p value must be greater than 0. Okay, actually it should be greater than 2 lah. Okay, because based on this expression, when p is 2, the number of ways is 0. Okay, bilangan cara adalah kosong bila p sama dengan 2. So tak logik. So p kena lebih besar dari 2. Mulai dari 3. Okay, after 3, then the answer is more logic because it's a positive answer. Jawapan positif. Okay, so this is for question number 11. Soalan yang ke-11. Okay, so next. Question number 12. This is about binomial distribution. Tabuhan binomial. So this one is Form 5, Chapter 5. Okay, so first question. They ask you to state the value of px equal to 2 plus px equal to 3 in fraction form. Dalam bentuk pecahan. So kamu kena bagi jawapan dalam pecahan sahaja. You can only give your answer in fraction. Okay, so what is the total probability of every single x value here? Apa jumlah nilai kebangkalian semua nilai x? Yes. Okay, the answer is 1. Am I right? Okay, jawapan dia adalah 1. Okay, so means that you just take this value plus px equal to 2 plus px equal to 3 plus 1 over 64 equal to 1. Okay, semua sama dengan 1. Hasil tambah semua sebutan. Okay, so you will get this equation and you just need to solve for px equal to 2 plus px equal to 3. Selesaikan yang ni saja. So then you will get the answer 45 over 128. Okay, ini adalah jawapan kamu untuk soalan A. Okay, so question A only has 1 mark because they say state. Nyatakan. Nyatakan biasanya 1 markah sahaja. Only 1 mark for state. Okay? Alright, then for question B, they ask you to show this. Kamu kena buktikan yang ni. Okay, showing question you guys don't like, right? Kamu semua tak suka kan? But actually easy only. Sangat senang sahaja. Okay guys, so you must think and see. How am I going to show this? Macam mana saya nak buktikan yang ni? Very easy. Sangat senang. Okay, so you must think which equation do you want to express over here? Kamu nak ungkapkan persamaan mana sekarang kat sini? Okay, so dari sini kamu ada beberapa nilai kebarangkalian. Okay, you have a few value of probability, but you must choose and see which value is the best that I can use to express. Mana nilai yang paling tepat. Okay, so since they say the word hence, mereka cakap seterusnya, maksudnya kamu kena guna jawapan di soalan A. You must use the answer in part A. Okay, because you see the word hence. Okay, so you just need to express this equation. Kamu kena ungkapkan yang ni sahaja. Use the binomial formula. NCR, P power R, Q power N minus R. Ini adalah rumus tabuhan binomial. Your binomial formula. Okay, so for the first case, N is 5 because they already tell you 5 trial. Okay, 5 percubaan. So jumlah dia adalah 5. So N is 5. Okay, and then for first case, R is 2. R sama dengan 2. Second case, R equal to 3. Nilai P dan Q kita tak tahu. We don't know the P and Q value. So you just leave it as unknown. Okay, and then you press calculator. Tekan calculator, 5C2 you will get 10. 5C3 also you will get 10. Okay, so kamu dapat yang ni. After that, you try to factorize out the common term. Cuba faktorkan ungkapan yang serupa. Okay, so you see over here 10 is common, both sides, serupa. And then you notice P square, Q square, P square, Q square. Dua-dua ni adalah faktor serupa juga. Kedua-dua ungkapan ni is the common factor for both of these terms. Okay, so that's why you take out P square plus, 10 P square, Q square. Okay, kamu keluarkan yang ni. Boleh? Can? Okay, so then after you factorize, you left with Q plus P in the bracket. Kamu hanya tinggal Q tambah P. Okay, so what is the value of Q plus P, guys? This fact you must know in probability. Ini adalah satu fakta. So the answer is 1. Because the total probability must always be 1. Okay, jumlah kebarangkalian dia mesti 1. Okay, so you can shift the 10 to the right hand side. Pindahkan yang ni ke sebelah kanan. Okay, find the value. You will get this value. Okay, and then kamu gantikan Q plus P equal to 1. And then you just rearrange. Okay, susun saja. So P square, Q square, you can square root. Punca kuasa 2, kedua-dua belah persamaan. Square root both sides. So square root 9 over 256, you will get an answer of, let me see. Square root 9 over 256, you will get 3 over 16. Okay, kamu akan dapat 3/16. So means that P is equal to 3 over 16Q. Okay, so kamu sudah tertunjuk. You already shown what the question want over here for soalan B. Okay, alright. So that is for question number 12. Okay, so total you get 4 marks. Okay, so boleh score 4 markah ni, guys? Can you score this 4 mark? Yes. Okay, that's the spirit. Okay, you can score 1. Sangat senang. It's very simple. Question number 12. Okay, now we come to question number 13. Soalan 13. Okay, so if you see this question, this is under Form 4 Chapter 1, Functions. Okay, Form 4 Bab 1 Fungsi. Okay, Section D. Okay, so first question, they ask you to find the object. Cari object. Dalam perkataan lain, cari X. Okay, they ask you to find the X. When the image is 1 over 3. Bila image sama dengan 1/3. So image is fx. Okay, so you already have fx equal to 1 over 3. So you just substitute inside the equation. Ganti dalam persamaan sahaja. Okay, so you will get 3 over 4x minus 1. This is your fx, and they tell you fx equal to 1 over 3. Ini info dia. Okay, so equal to 1 over 3, cross multiply, silang pangkah, get your x value. Okay, that is your answer. Itu jawapan dia. So this one you have total of 2 marks only. 2 markah. Very easy. Sangat senang. Alright? Okay, next one. Question B. They ask you to express M in term of P. Ungkapkan M dalam sebutan P. Maksudnya, kamu akan dapat jawapan macam ni. Your answer have to look something like this. M equal to something something P. M sama dengan apa-apa P. Okay, so you need to fill in what is this something. Okay, so they already give you the information. Okay, so now M plus 1, M tambah 1 ni akan jadi objek kamu. It will become your object because it's fx. Am I right? And over here, your object is P because fgx. Okay, so your x is P, x equal to M plus 1. Okay, so you just substitute only inside the equation. Okay, so maksudnya M plus 1 masuk ke sini, you put it inside here, and then x equal to P, you put inside here. Okay, so then you will get this equation. Kamu akan dapat persamaan ni. Okay, so from here is just your algebra. Harap kamu punya algebra kamu bagus lah. Your basic algebra must be strong so that you can express M in term of P. M dalam sebutan P. So you just need to cross multiply, kaedah pangkah, silang pangkah. Okay, and then you just try to rearrange. Okay, over here you can factorize. Kamu boleh faktorkan yang ni because 2 is a common factor. So you just pull out the 2. Okay, bawa keluar dua, lepas tu potong. Okay, so you will have the answer 2p square minus 3 over 6 for soalan B. Okay, alright. So next one, question C1. They ask you to find gx. Kamu kena cari gx. Okay, so how to find gx, guys? Okay, so you have fgx already equal to 3 over 4x squared plus 3. Okay, means this one, gx, you substitute inside the x term of the f function. Okay, kamu gantikan fungsi gx dalam sebutan x bagi fungsi f. Okay, so you will have 3 over 4gx minus 1 equal to 3 over 4x squared plus 3. Okay, ini adalah persamaan kamu. So I can direct compare the bottom. Saya boleh bandingkan bawah pecahan. Make it equal to each other. Bagi dia sama. Okay, so you will get the equation 4gx minus 1 equal to 4x squared plus 3. So if you solve and see, you should get the answer gx equal to x squared tambah 1. Okay, so this is your answer untuk C1. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, and then for C2, they ask you to determine whether the inverse function exists or not. Adakah fungsi songsang wujud ke tak? Okay, so how to know whether inverse function exists? Always remember only one-to-one function have inverse function. Okay, hanya fungsi 1 kepada 1 ada fungsi songsang. Okay, that is the concept over here. Inilah konsep dia. Okay, for 4 mark. Sorry, not 4 mark. Just now question was 2 mark. So means C2 is also 2 mark. 2 markah. Okay, so how do we do this one? Okay, so basically we are going to use the horizontal line test. Ujian garis mendatar. Okay, atau mengufuk. Okay, so the horizontal line test will look something like this. Okay, so the horizontal line test, since we know gx is x squared plus 1, kita tahu ini adalah fungsi kuadratik. This is a quadratic function. Okay, so you just need to draw randomly a quadratic function, y-intercept 1, lukis secara lawak sahaja, just a sketch, lakaran sahaja. So if you check and see, by using the horizontal line, dengan ujian garis mengufuk, kamu ada 2 titik persilangan, guys. You have 2 point of intersection. Okay, so mean that you have 2 object. Kamu ada 2 nilai x, 2 object, 2x value. Okay, so you see these 2x value, they have the same image. Okay, 2 nilai x, 1 nilai y. 2x value, 1 y value. Or 2 object, 1 image. Okay, so when you have 2 object, 1 image, what type of relation is this, guys? Apa jenis hubungan ni? May I know? Yes. Okay, this is a many-to-one relation, guys. Ini adalah fungsi atau hubungan banyak kepada 1. So you already get a many-to-one relation. So guys, is many-to-one relation have an inverse function? Adakah hubungan banyak ke bawah satu akan ada fungsi songsang? Pasti tidak. Okay, you won't have an inverse function for a many to one relationship. Okay, that is the concept. So that's why you can say it's not a one-to-one relationship, or you can say it's a many-to-one relationship. Boleh kata bukan hubungan satu kepada satu, ataupun kamu kata dia adalah hubungan banyak kepada satu. Okay, so this is how we answer the question C2. Okay, so you must give the justification also. Kena bagi justifikasi dia. So justifikasi berdasarkan lakaran kamu. You give the justification based on your drawing just now of your graph. Okay, so then you will be able to get the answer for question number 13. Okay, you must remember that one. All right. Cannot, because this one is not quadratic chapter. Usually, right, guys, the concept you use is based on what chapter? Guna konsep yang seiring dengan bab tu. Okay. Use the concept related to Form 4 Chapter 1 only. Don't mix with other Chapter 1 when you are trying to answer the question. Okay? Data less than or greater than or equal to? Huh? I don't understand. Data less. Oh, horizontal line test. Have you seen this? WC, horizontal line test. I think you have seen it, right? Before. Pernah nampak kan, guys? Ujian garis mengufuk. This is called horizontal line test. Okay, you must know this. Vertical line test. Vertical line test is to determine whether it's a function or not. That's all. Okay? Yes. Okay, there will be specific one in the question. Okay, guys? Soalan 13 boleh? Are you all clear? Can we go to the last question now for today? All right. Last question, guys. Wake up, wake up. Okay, bangun. Soalan terakhir dah. Kita nak habis. Must wake up, you guys, like that. Then only you guys will listen. Okay, guys. They ask you to find the value of x. Okay, so how to find your x? Okay, when I say like this, I sound weird also. Find your x. Okay, I don't know which x you're thinking of lah. This x or the other x. Okay, simply joking. It's not this x. Okay, it's the x in maths. Yes, theorem Pythagoras, correct. Marcus can relate, Very good. Okay, very good. B square minus 4ac. I didn't say b square minus 4ac. Oh, just now question. Don't use the b square minus 4ac because it's function. Function chapter 1 form 4 don't use. Why can't function equal 0? Equal 0. You don't use, unless the question mentioned to you fx equals 0, then you do like that lah. The question just now never mentioned like that. So don't use equal 0. Okay? Can? Later I explain to you lah in more detail. All right. So guys, over here we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Am I right? Okay, so you just form your equation. Okay, connecting all the three sides. So this is the equation you can form. Okay, and then you just expand to find your x value. Okay, over here you can expand the power 2 inside. Okay, kembangkan chapter 4, Marcus. Form 4, chapter 4. Okay, indices, surd, and log. Okay, so you just expand inside to see. Okay, over here how you get, guys? Okay, basically it's 2 power 2x plus 2. This one. Okay, so you separate to become 2 power 2 times 2 power 2x. So this is 4. Okay, so 4 times 2 power 2x. Can? No problem. But over here, they do like this lah. You can use that method also. No problem. Okay? If you're comfortable with following the answer scheme like this, also can. Kamu kekalkan 2 power x saja. Okay, and then you solve the equation. Okay? So you will get 2 bracket. Okay, so over here, you notice it's a quadratic equation. Persamaan quadratic. Okay, so you split to 2 bracket. Let 1 equal to 0. Okay, so this one cannot. Not possible. Why not possible, guys? Kenapa ni tak boleh? Yes, because you cannot log a negative answer. Okay, length also correct. Yes, length cannot be negative. Okay, so the only possible answer is the second one, which is this one. Yang ni saja boleh. So you solve and then you will get x equal to 1. Dapat 1. Clear, guys? Number A should be okay, right? Okay, last one, guys. Soalan B, they tell you the area of trapezium is this one, luas trapezium. Okay, so what is the formula, guys? Rumus untuk luas trapezium. Can you all tell me what is the formula you know? Yes, half times sum of two parallel sides, hasil tambah dua sisi selari tambah tinggi. Okay, so if you apply the formula, you will get this equation. This is the area given the question. Luas dalam soalan. Okay, guys. So now most of you, right, when you get this one, you stop over here. Am I right? Don't stop. Common mistake. Remember, you cannot have cert at the bottom of your fraction. Cannot. A very big no. Insert. Okay, cert jangan bagi lihat kat bawah pecahan. Jangan. Okay, kena rasionalkan penyebut pecahan. Okay, rationalize your denominator. And then how to rationalize? Use conjugate cert. Okay, so conjugate of this one, you just change positive, become negative. That's all. Okay, then do your expansion. Okay, example, the quadratic type of expansion. This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, then you get 4 terms. 4 sebutan. This one also you expand. Okay, this is actually A plus B, A minus B. So your answer you should get is A square minus B square, the format of quadratic. Okay, so you solve, rationalize, factorkan. Okay, over here you can factorize, guys. Take out 18 from on top. So you will get something like this. And then divide 18, cancel. Okay, potong, you get this answer. Okay, sometimes can use conjugate based on numerator, right, for limit. Numerator, yes, can. Limits, you mean what? What do you mean by limit? I don't understand. Limit. Limit, you mean differentiation, is it? Oh, yes, correct. Guys, Form 5 Chapter 2 differentiation, your hard, right? Sometimes you can use conjugate cert concept also. Because you don't want cert at the bottom. When you substitute your limit, your delta x go to 0. Remember that one, guys? Your Form 5 Chapter 2? That one. Okay, you can rationalize denominator also. Okay, guys? Are you all clear? Okay, we finished the SPM paper discussion already for today. Very, very good, guys. We did it already. Wow. And on time also. 2 hours. 2 hours, guys. So did it help you? The lesson for everyone who stay here with me 2 hours, 2 jam. Help, hopefully lah. Okay, I try my best already. Dah cuba terbaik dah. Okay, the best already. I give my best already. If still don't understand, you can come back to me. Okay? Yes. Yeah, it's not that difficult one. It look difficult only, but once when you bincang, it won't come difficult. Oh yeah, some of you Sunday got school, right? I think some state. Yes, thank you, Ahmad. Hopefully faham lah. Okay, I will share this PDF in the group, guys. Don't worry. You can go through once again. Okay? Yeah lah, Penang State no school lah, of course. Okay, Sunday is holiday. Thank you, guys. For the rest, got school tomorrow. Good luck.